Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Memory thrives on organization. Here's an activity for you. 1. Read list A for 15 seconds, then cover it. 2. Recite the following nursery rhyme together with me to prevent rehearsal. Say it out loud with me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. 3. Write down the words to remember. You remember. 4. Check the list and jot down the score. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you and show you list A. So here's list A. So I suggest you read the words with me aloud, and then you make an image in your mind's eye. So say plum and make an image in your mind's eye. Then say puppy and create a picture in your mind's eye. And then say pony and see it. Elbow, banana, cherry, giraffe, foot, barrage, caravan, apple, bungalow. Okay, so hang on a sec. I'm going to switch it off, and then we go together and say the nursery rhyme together. So here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, and the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. So have a go now and write down as many words as you can for memory in any order. Now do the same with list B, including the underlined words, even if you did not do well with the first. Have a go. Okay, so I'm now going to share with you my second screenshot, and that's list B. So there you are. As you can see, there are 4 columns. So let's read them together. Fruit, animal, home, body. Say out loud with me. So again, say plum and then create an image in your mind's eye. Then say banana and picture it. Say apple and see it. Cherry, animal. Giraffe, puppy, donkey, pony, home, house, apartment, bungalow, caravan, body, foot, knee, elbow, hand. Okay, so now write down all 4 columns as you just have seen them. And okay. You probably remembered many more items from list B. List B is more memorable because grouping similar items together helps recall. Using group headings helps recall. Being able to see that there were only 4 types of information gives the task memorable boundaries. Many of the items on list B were also on list A, and going over information again helps recall. Organizing information into pyramids. Concept pyramids organize associated information into hierarchies. They are excellent for memory aids. In an experiment in 1969, Bauer and other psychologists asked a group of people to learn one 12 words. The words were grouped and linked in meaningfully, as in this B, and organized into 4 pyramids. People remembered 100% of the words by the third attempt. By contrast, the second group of people were given the same words, also arranged into pyramid shapes, but this time with the words were randomly assigned to each pyramid, and they were not meaningfully semantically linked. The second group remembered only 47% of the words by the third attempt. This suggests the importance of both linking information meaningfully and organizing the ideas into hierarchies or concept pyramids. Pyramids, pattern notes, and pictures. Some people prefer to organize information as pattern notes or other images or mind maps, Tony Buzan. Combining pattern notes and concept pyramids and pictures can give a great boost to your power of recall. Pattern notes. Start writing the main topic in the center and add related ideas, making links between ideas where appropriate. You could also use mind mapping software as MindView and MindMeister, so you can adapt and develop your notes when you have new ideas. Pattern notes and pyramids. Pattern notes work best when generating ideas for recalling information from memory. Well-organized pattern notes are easier to remember. Let your imagination wander when you make the initial pattern. Let the ideas flow. Pattern notes, mind maps, Tony Buzan, 1993. If the initial pattern shows no clear hierarchy of ideas, recognize the words to fit into the concept pyramid. This may take some time, but it clarifies your thinking. Color code the different levels of hierarchy. For example, I'm going to share with you now the color coding system. Okay, so for the main heading, use red, pink for less important headings, yellow and orange for immediate level information, dark green for key evidence, and light green for details and about evidence, dark blue for specific examples, and light blue for details about examples, violet for references such as names and dates. So that was the color coding. And around the concept pyramids, draw rings, boxes, or other shapes around crucial information so that it stands out. You may find it helpful to build up pattern notes as a series of concept pyramids, or to work back and forth between patterns and pyramids. You may wish to rework only some parts of the patterns into concept pyramids, and then to stick the pyramids back onto the original pattern with glue, Tipp-Ex, or blue tack. There is scope for all kinds of imaginative adaptation. Pattern notes can be as big as you want. Just keep adding and linking information. So here is another screen share, and this is now the concept pyramid. And on the top goes the headline, and that's in red, and then you personalize it. Then come subheadings, and then put shapes around different pieces of information, show the directions it flows with arrows, use different styles, whatever works for you. Use colors and posters and different papers. And then whatever emerges out of your notes, right in the left-hand corner, that looks like a face with a long nose. And use relevant information that works with the subject. And then use red for the key information. I always like to put a star around it, like a 9-pointed star. Make it easy to read, and then experiment, such as lightning. And then whatever jogs your memory, you write down there. That was the concept pyramid. And so picture and pattern notes. Picture and pattern notes, that's now the last screen share. So I look it up for you here. Okay, there we go. And immediately what jumps into my eye is a dark blue car. And remember those 4 wheels, they represented the theorists about intelligence. And that's on page 38 in my book. And all the other bullet points are about pattern notes and the concept pyramids of what we just talked about. And all these words that jump at you because they have been highlighted. So the example just now develops one section of the pattern notes. The initial idea have been recognized into a concept pyramid. Working your ideas in this way clarifies the relationship between ideas and sorts them into groups and sequences. And it can also highlight gaps in your thinking and suggest new ideas. And I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like the video, please feel free to share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 230 videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video46U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Bye for now.